Welcome to the course. I'm very excited about teaching this course, and I'm looking forward to meeting each of you. My name is Dr. Braunsberger. Most of my students call me Dr. B, and I am your instructor for ENT 6930, Sustainable Entrepreneurship. I'm a professor of entrepreneurship here in the Kate Tiedemann College of Business at USF St. Pete, where I've been teaching since 2001. My focus is on sustainable entrepreneurship, and I've been involved in developing exciting new courses and programs for the Kate Tiedemann College of Business. Further, I've done extensive work in social entrepreneurship and led an annual education abroad trip to Guatemala where seniors and MBA students work with Mayan women to help make their small businesses successful and profitable. It is really important that you access the Canvas site for this course no later than 12 p.m. on January 10th to meet the first day attendance requirement. If you fail to do this, I'm sorry, but I'm forced to have to drop you from this class. That is state regulation, and I really have no control over it. The overriding objective of this course is for you to develop a business plan for a sustainable enterprise that is based on solid secondary and primary research and takes into account the three pillars of sustainability, namely people, planet, and profits. Throughout the course, we will cover relevant topics to help you achieve this objective, including how to identify and evaluate the sustainable enterprise, sustainable innovation, and entrepreneurial leadership. We will work on helping you develop diagnostic, planning, and evaluation skills as sustainable entrepreneurs and public leaders to address important social, economic, and environmental problems. We will support your work. Also, we will study and discuss relevant theory. The focus of this course is that you learn information and skills that are applicable to your field of interest and your career in industry. The course is structured so you start early on the development of the business plan. You will be asked early on to produce a viable idea for a sustainable new product service concept. Next, in order to develop and conduct the customer concept test, you will need to first research what has already been done in the industry of your group selected concept. What types of products and services are used by customers to address the needs or wants they have? Who are the players in the industry? What are their strengths and weaknesses? Why would consumers prefer your product or service over those offered by your competitors? Is the industry declining, stable, or growing? How big is the industry? What are recent innovations? These are just some of the areas that you need to research before you can develop your product service concept and the customer service test. Customer concept test. The customer concept test directs you to collect primary data, which will help you determine whether your new product or service concept is feasible, and if and how you may have to change it to become more promising. Do not take shortcuts when doing this research, as the quality of your final business plan will suffer. We will also have group discussion board assignments that are designed to help you figure out certain parts of the business plan and also make sure that all team members are involved in coming up with ideas and solutions that drive development of your sustainable business plan. As you know, this course is designed as an online course and requires that you know how to use Canvas. To keep you on track and enhance the learning experience, deliverables are due every Sunday night. I've worked very hard to focus on necessary activities only. Each week you will have a quiz about a chapter, video or article. You will also have one discussion board assignment. Some of these assignments focus on a chapter, video, or article, whereas others focus on contemporary issues in sustainable entrepreneurship. These two types of discussion board assignments are distinctly different, so please make sure to read the instructions carefully. Also, look at the grading rubrics so you know what your gradings will be based on. The The things that I feel are most important for you to recognize in this course are that you engage early on. Get to know your team members as soon as I've created the groups and make sure that you know each other's strengths and weaknesses concerning research, writing, accounting, finance, and presentation skills. Our goal is to grow together, and that includes that you draw on and learn from the expertise provided by your fellow team members. Make sure that you get working on your business plans early on and work on it continuously throughout the semester. To get started, you will need to explore the Canvas site for this course. The landing page is set up to provide easy access to the tools you need to navigate Canvas and this course. There you will find a link to the syllabus. Once you're in the syllabus, scroll down to get to the course schedule. Also, it is important for everyone in the class to get to know each other and to start building connections early. Please go into the discussion area under Introduce Yourself and post a new message in which you will share information about yourself. If you have any questions or concerns during the course, please know that I want you to succeed. The preferred method for sharing your concerns and questions is via email. Please use Canvas to send any emails. If you would rather talk, we can set up a telephone or Skype meeting. I hope that you will enjoy the course, and I'm looking forward to having you into the class. Best regards, Dr. B.